right, today we're going to bring a portable piano, electrical portable piano. Now, everything you see in here, you get, including the bag, the two pieces to put together for the stand, headphones if you don't want it to make too much noise, and also the foot pedal along with the USB to connect to power it up. Instructions, very simple. This is how small it looks, all right, but it is actually a full key. It's foldable, it's portable. It's perfect for those that are on the road, don't have enough space, small apartments, or you don't want to take over a whole entire corner. Great option. Let's put it together. I'm going to hit a tone, slow tone, hard. So it is functional as a real piano almost. Here's the actual piano, the portable piano. Here you have the volume control, all right, power, you got the demo, tone, chords, and rhythm, and then you have the actual clock device that, you know, for step, like 1, 2, 1, 2. This thing has so many things. So, rhythms, you could change the rhythm. Demo. You got a connection for your foot pedal, microphone, MP3, and then you have your actual headphones. Now, this one has Bluetooth enabled in here that you could actually connect other devices, speakers, and make this a lot louder than what it is. Or you can make it stereosonic. All right, so this thing comes with headphones, of course, all right? And this is one thing that I like. So if it's too loud, connecting to it, you can hear them on the actual headphones. Disconnect them. This whole thing comes apart. Take this apart. This is actually for you can read the notes, because it does have built-in batteries too. It's gonna last you for quite a while. You turn it off, hit the power button on, and automatically. Now you can't just fold this. You actually have to push a button. There's a button here on the corner, right here in this area. You push the button down, and this whole thing locks in place. Take it with you, ready to go. Now, whenever you're gonna start your concert, locks in place. Put in the stuff that you need. Connect your stereo or your sound, however you want. When you turn it on, it's gonna ask you if you want to set up your Bluetooth. All right, let's turn it on. 1, 2, 3.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode, but we don't have anything connected right now. We could connect if you want extra stereo. Doesn't require anything, but your musician is ready to go. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video.